going. Malamig. Ang lamig. Very winter. Yung dito ka na mag-compute.
There's no one there! It came now! Look what time it's 3:49.
Oh, flip. There you go. Hello, guys. We're gonna do a vlog. We're gonna pick up Dust from school. Alright, guys. We're going past the street. It's 5 minutes to go to Dust school. Look at the skies. Saskatoon's. Saskatchewan's known for the land of the skies. Look at the skies. Land of the living skies. Living. Look at the texture of the skies. It's almost like you could touch it and feel it. Wait, how do I flip it again? Oi, may pogi! Oh, even more beautiful than the land of the living skies. Alright, guys. Don't post this, please. Delete it. What a chill guy.
Our vlog. Hello vlog. Ako na. Kasipag naman nyo. Kapit naman ako kasipag naman. Sa'yo! Ang lamig! No, I'm good. Para siyang may glitters. I don't know if it's visible. Pero sa mata ko lang. Hindi may glitters. Yung mga snowdrop, snowfall, snowfall.